Action. Hello. Today, what are we making?
Today we are making bread pizza.
Bread pizza without the oven.
On tawa.
On
Let's
tawa.
come.
So let's see today what ingredients do we have. Come on. Szechuan chutney. Just apply it on the bread. And then next we have
cheese. Then we have onion. Then we have all mixed up capsicum, tomato. Then green chili flakes. Then oregano.
Preheated the tawa. So make sure you heat it on a very low flame.
Let us mix this thoroughly. Mix now. Let us equally spread over the bread. Let us wait for 5 minutes, then we will turn it around and then we will see how it will turn.
Good. It's spicy. It's really tasty.
Yum. It's too yum.
Amazing, man. Amazing.
I want you to taste this. It's easy, but the cheese melts in the mouth.
What is it?
That's amazing.